Hi, my name is Kushal Patel. I go to college with DuPage. Today I'm here at Green Wireless with Matt and Dave. We're going to be talking about cash financial accounting. Matt, tell me a little bit more about the company.
Well, Stores Green Wireless, we primarily deal with Boost mobile accounts. We've been here now for 5 years. We actually have another store, New Line Communications, that has been in business for 26 years. Same thing, well, they deal with cell phones as well, however, they deal with more of T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, they're multi-carrier, where I only deal with Boost Mobile here.
Okay, we're going to talk about some cash internal control. How do you establish responsibility in the store, and who's responsible for the cash?
Well, in terms of the cash, at the end of the, well, I shouldn't say at the end of the day, but throughout the day, usually whoever is working, they'll make sure obviously the register, everything matches based on however many payments or phone sales that they have. In terms of the final say, that would be my father. He's the owner, so he's the one at the end of the day who would receive the cash.
Okay. How do you segregate duties of handling cash, like between you and your father?
Essentially, it is usually I'm the one who usually he's the one who handles all cash. Everything is done through a POS system, and essentially the minute I clock out, he receives a message stating, or not just when I clock out, if anybody clocks out, he receives a message stating how much cash was left at the end of that person's shift.
Okay. What kind of documentation procedure is implemented in your business?
In terms of us, we do basic phone sales and payments. Like I said, everything is done through our POS system. It takes over the whole computer. And essentially, anytime a customer makes a payment or anything like that, it records everything inside the system. At the end of the day, if I need to check anything, I can go through there and match all the receipts up and everything.
Okay. How much cash is at the store, like in the register or throughout the day?
Well, we usually open with about $100. That's usually left at night, or if I don't have proper change, then I'll just come in the morning and drop it off. Throughout the day, if in case we're busy or something, like let's just say maybe there was $800 in the register, me or my father may come in, we'll just make a note of it in the system, it does allow us to. We'll make a note of it that we're taking whatever cash is in there currently and going to deposit it. Generally though, we only try to keep about 100 in there.
Okay. Does your business use a petty cash account?
No, we do not.
No? Okay. At the end of the day, who's in charge of totaling all the receipts and depositing the money, and what bank do you guys deposit your money at?
For totaling the receipts, whoever would come in to close, so whether it be me or my father, we would total up the receipts and see how much, make sure it matches based on the cash and everything. Of course, subtracting 100 because that's what the leftover is. Once the receipts are totaled, if I'm the one picking it up, if I'm the one who's closing, once I completely close the system out, my dad receives a text message stating however much money I have, and I just go give him the money so he can deposit it. In terms of the bank, we use US Bank right now.
Okay. Well, man, thank you for your time.
Anytime, buddy.